This video should give you the idea of what USANHERE consider to be user groups, user properties, and document properties. Currently, I'm logged in the support account of USANHERE. I'm on that home page, and as usual, and your account looks the same, you can go to library. Observe that we have in our support environment complex system of folders and subfolders. You can always add the new folder under your root folder by clicking organize, but we're going straight to the account, and under the account we'll click groups. Groups is the feature where you can create a group and associate the group with one or more users. So in that case, we have the sample group 1. You can, of course, click on the new and create a new group and associate the users with that group. But we already created a group, so we can go to users, and this account has 2 users. And if we'll click on any user, you can go to the groups and choose which group the user belongs to. And of course, the permissions of that user, which is he is either an account administrator or he can do the design of the documents, send the requests. Everything is self-explanatory here. So the important concept here is that you can create a user group and associate a user with a group. Similar to the departments where you can have in your company department and users belong to different departments. Now we go to library, and when you upload the document to USANHERE, you can associate it with the folder or subfolder. By default, if you have the root folder selected, you'll be uploading to that root folder, or you can upload it to any of the subfolders. If you made a mistake, you can always take the icon here and drag it to the subfolder, and that will make an association of the document with the subfolder. Now, an additional concept here is that if you select the document, let's go to all documents and take like this one, you'll create, when you hit on the document property icon, you can associate it with the group, the document with the group, and also it shows you which subfolder this document belongs to. Important concept here is that if this document is, you will associate it with a sample group 1 folder, then any user who does not belong to that group will not see this document in his or her library. And those concepts you should have in mind when designing the environment in USANHERE that is optimally configured for your type of usage. Thank you, and if you have any other questions or concerns, send us an email at support@usanhere.com.